Hey FlowerNest, the reason why I like and hate cleaning is because when I was younger, I would love cleaning, but people ruined that for me. They ruined it by just pressuring me and harassing me to clean every day and never took a break. And eventually that got me really tired mentally and physically, and I just wanted to lay in bed and be lazy all day for at least a bit. But I'm trying really hard not to live like that anymore. I'm trying really hard to get myself back together and just not love cleaning, but at least try cleaning. So yeah, I remember like 3 years ago, I believe, when we kind of first got Milo the dog. I would love to train him, but I never had the patience. And my sister, boy, she had so much patience. I don't know how she does it. She has so much patience for her family, for us, and for us being so annoying sometimes. She just had so much patience, and she started training the dog. Vanessa, good boy. I taught him that trick, and I taught him how to bark. It wasn't easy. It took a lot of patience and a lot of work, and it was worth it. Let's see if we can do a rollover. Maya, roll over. You're halfway there, but okay, I give it to you. I'm still going to try to train him. I trained him like 3 tricks already, but I canceled the other one because my sister was like, don't use that one because I don't want to be involved. And trust me, she was involved. Let me know in the comments what tricks I should do next, because I honestly don't know what kind of tricks I want him to do. Shout out to the person that gave me this idea for this story. So when I was a freshman, in the middle of freshman year, around February, I decided to follow my dream, becoming an author. And it was great. I got my ideas for 12th grade. Like a few days after 12th grade, I realized that I cannot find my Google Doc and I couldn't sign into my school account. And apparently I lost the book. I lost everything, and I had to start all over. So instead of starting all over, I decided to make a new book. I even give you a little sneak peek. The video is gonna be down below, and I told you guys about it, and I think I gave you the first chapter, but I'm not sure. I did another book. It's basically about this girl that joins a club that's trying to protect her friends from doing bad things, and long story short, at the very end, it's gonna be really juicy and really interesting. Her parents were hiding things from her, and she's gonna find out at the very end. And I just love that about the book, and I just love how I'm putting everything in my book. The anger, the sadness, the depression, all of that, I'm putting it in my book. I'm putting my whole heart and mind into it. It's been a while I haven't done it. In fact, all spring break, I didn't have time to do it. I didn't even have time to film my video and edit it the way I planned, so that's why I did chores. But I really, guys, hope you understand where I'm coming from. And yeah, I can't wait until the book comes out. I work really hard for people to be happy and to make myself proud of myself. Really don't care at this point. I work so hard for this video to be interesting. I hope you guys enjoy. And my dog wants to say something. Bye. Go and get it.